Hello everyone, welcome to DFCCL preparation strategy video. So today we will discuss about preparation strategy for 42 days now. Okay, today's task and tomorrow task I will tell you. Then one common query from you guys that whether DFCCL exam will get postponed or not. Okay, as you know that yesterday only SSC CGL, GD and CHSL exam is postponed already, and in May month. Okay, for now it seems and it is sure actually that there is no exam. Okay, there is no exam. Whole May month we will spend in lockdown only. That is for sure. So our exam, okay, is in June, tentative date. That is also tentative date. So now the question is whether it will postpone or not. Okay, so see now May month. Okay, May month is gone wholly. Okay, only we have June month. So to prepare for examination, all those activities, okay, it will take time, little time obviously, because lots of applications are there in DFCCL also. Okay, so in June month now there is very less probability. Okay, I am talking very less probability. It does not mean that there is no exam. Okay, there is difference. So very less probability in June month. Okay, about your exam, it may shift to July first week now, July 1st or 2nd. But okay, but whatever will be the next exam date or anything, our target will be this only. Okay, our target will never change, because it is very important for us, because our target is merit list. Okay, so we have to complete our syllabus in this 42 days only, whether exam is in July, August, September, okay, next year, but we have to finish everything till or in 42 days only. Okay, so this thing is very important for you. That's why don't think about exam date postponement. Just stay home, stay safe. Okay, because the COVID is upgrading itself. So that's why just stay home and prepare. Okay, all the things are there, so just prepare calmly and just wait for announcement. Okay, so I hope that this doubt now clear, and I will never get it again. Okay, till the announcement. Next, today at 7:15 p.m. podcast is scheduled. All the queries regarding DFCCL, executive operation post, okay, then field work or office work, all the things we discussed there. So now you will enjoy. Okay, obviously the video language is Hindi, so just pardon for that, but don't worry, because subtitles I will add for you. Okay, so don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Okay, CC options there na, CC. So just click on that. Okay, if you want, then mute the audio and just watch pictures and your subtitles. Okay, so subtitles will be there in detail, so don't worry, because I want each and every information you guys also should get. Okay, so language should be not the barrier, so that's why I will add subtitles. After this video I will start the work. Okay, so don't worry at all. Now the next thing, that this week, okay, last week little bit fluctuations are there, because podcast work was there and health issues are there, but don't worry about that. Whatever we completed, okay, now just your work is to revise this. So let's go to our screen. I hope you didn't forget this. Okay, don't forget this. That's why I show you the screen. Okay, now one by one we will discuss. Let's talk about numerical ability. So on the last strategy video, okay, of 47 days, I already told you to practice the number systems, whatever topic we cover. Okay, so again what you have to do, you have to revise the questions. You have to revise the questions that I take in the video. Okay, obviously video language is Hindi, I know, but questions are English na. You should solve the questions, and if you face any difficulty, then definitely you can connect me on our application also and Telegram also. Okay, so if you feel any query, any doubt in any question, then feel free to connect to me, because for you guys there is no video, so definitely I can solve your doubt. Okay, but solve that questions, because that question collection is very important. So revise again all the number series question that I covered in the 3 to 4 videos. Okay, then again LCM HCF, only 10 questions and it's done. Yes, so this 10 question again you have to revise, and your whole HCF and LCM topic, that is 1 mark, is fixed. Okay, is fixed directly. Then we started just the percentage basics, just basics we started, that is 50% is nothing but your half, like that. Okay, so you have to study this. So what you can do, from 1 to 16 write all the percentage, like suppose half is your 50%. Okay, how? Because we multiplying by 100. Okay, so 50%, then 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like that. Okay, like that you can do. So percentage basic, just because we didn't forward it, and whatever the questions already are there in the video, okay, just solve that again, and this is the revision part. Okay, this is the revision part of whole 3 chapters. So till now you will revise number system now today twice, LCM HCF first and percentage basic first. Okay, So this is the count till now. So number system twice. Okay, all the things I want. So this is your numerical ability. Then the next is current affairs. So now just try, okay, in this 2 months, that is your 2 days, today and tomorrow, you will complete full July month from your website. Okay, from our website you will complete full July month. Full July month you will complete. Okay, and then you have to revise the videos. Again, the videos are in Hindi, but definitely questions are in English. Okay, so questions are in English. So question answer you can do from video, general science video. Our MCQ, all the week MCQ, that is from Sunday to today Sunday. Okay, all the MCQ of this week you have to again go through. Just do revision of this again. Okay, of general studies and general awareness on Apna Government Job Telegram channel. Those who didn't join, okay, join, because you are missing this. Okay, you are missing this, which is very important for you. Okay, next about other subject, that is your economics we are currently doing. Okay, so I hope that all the economics topics or concepts that I taught you till now, okay, are already clear with you. Any question if they frame from that, then definitely you can answer. Okay, you can answer. I am sure about that. You can answer. So again, do revise. Okay, just don't do anything else here. Just do revision, and that's it. Okay, so this is the work of today and tomorrow. You have to do compulsory. Tomorrow again we will meet on our same timetable, that is 10, 2 and 6. Okay, don't worry. Now from tomorrow I hope that our time fluctuations will be almost negligible, and I will upload the video on time. Okay, so don't worry about that. So see, these 2 videos are in Hindi, I know, because for me also there is limitation, okay, to prepare the content and record the video, all these things. But still, what you can do, you can refer the questions from this. Okay, don't miss the questions that I am covering in numerical ability also and your general science also. If you feel any query, any doubt, then definitely you can connect me. Our number is also there. Okay, on website number is also there. You can contact me if you want. On application also you can connect me. On Telegram also you can connect me. Okay, so on WhatsApp also, this is WhatsApp number also. So if you want, you can WhatsApp me also. There is no issue in that. Okay, so for you guys, I can do this. I can solve your doubt. Okay, then there's no issue, because you didn't get the video, but definitely I want that you should at least able to solve these questions by yourself. Okay, this is my target. So if you are not, then definitely you can connect me on WhatsApp, Telegram, anytime. Okay, anytime, there is no issue. Okay, so this is all about this. So now just wait for 4 to 5 hours, and then podcast will be there. Okay, just enjoy the podcast, and definitely you will get lots of motivation to prepare for DFCSL very hard now. Okay, so this fire in your mind will definitely burn up. Okay, so just wait for 4 to 5 hours and then enjoy the podcast. And also comment, compulsory like the podcast, and also comment down, okay, what are the things are there, and if you feel any query, any doubt, then definitely you can comment there. Okay, so with this I will sign off, and I will connect to you tomorrow. All the best.